I'm the only maniac running around trying to fight people. Talk about last game. Okay. Oh my god, dude, not this, dude. The hell? Where are you come from, my dude? Okay, thank you for the snowboard. I need that. Oh, hey.
The revived flight will arrive in 1
Oh, okay. They're going for the upgrade. Okay, we're going for that guy. Okay, I'm out. I lost a lot of map control. Oh, there's a full team right here. Oh, hey, what's up, sir? If I can hop into your truck, that would be awesome. Oh, full team here, full team here. Oh, okay. Okay. I see you, buddy.
Half of the teams are eliminated.
Come on, where did you go? You need to die. Where did you go? You just disappeared.
Get the rest, soldier.
Alright, I'm out. Are you guys here? Oh, hey. What's up? Oh, this is heaven. This is heaven right here, right? Oh, hey. Who has a better shot? I have a better shot than you, bro. Oh, everyone only shoot me, huh? Oh, hey.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
I'm holding up here. I am not going down there.
Get the rest, soldier.
Where are you? Okay. Oh, sniper. Okay, I'm out.
Watch out. C9 unit.
I'll catch you guys later. Helicopter? Are you serious? Really?
The safe zone is collapsing. Airdrop is
Nice. Oh, hey. Oh. Freaking sniper, man. Why you gotta snipe? Oh my god, there are a lot of people. Come on, get up there, get up there.
will arrive in 1 minute.
Yeah. Easy dub. Okay. So I'm sandwiched right now. I'm between two teams. There's a sniper down there, and there's two teams up there. Oh, hey, sniper. Oh, I see the sniper. He's eyeing on me. Ver.
Down to the last 5 teams.
Oh, I gotta kill you, bro. You gotta die, please. Oh my god, I shouldn't go down. I shouldn't jump down.
Get the rest, soldier.
Damn, the poacher guys ran away, bro.
Airdrop has been delivered. Chip terminal is almost ready.
Nice, kill that guy. To the roof.
Get the rest, soldier.
Man, I need reload. Oh, nice, I knocked him. But then my kill is gonna get going, I think.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
I think there's a guy underneath me though.
The safe zone is
Oh.
collapsing.
Where should I go? Get some speed, turn around.
Left. Getting
Oh my god, I'm out of ammo.
chip terminal is almost ready.
Got it, got it.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Ooh, GG's.